So our team, Team 4, was tasked with designing and manufacturing 4 instruments for the band Maroon Gold 4 to be played on their upcoming tour. Each instrument's got to be unique. It's got to fit into a stage box. There was a bunch of design criteria that was basically given to us by the band. So the design requirements, it's got to be an individually created, meaning each individual team member's got to create their own song that's capable of playing at least one part of one of their hit songs. It's got to fit in a 2 by 2 by 2 foot box. It's got to consist of at least one stringed instrument, one wind instrument, and one percussive instrument. Cost less than $15 and use less than 10 foot of pipe or 6 foot of string. Tone quality, we're not just after how it sounds, we're also after the ability to play selected frequencies. And also the total cost has got to be, again, less than $15. Aesthetic appeal, we want it to look nice. And craftsmanship, we don't want this thing falling apart when they're up there playing with it. Creativity and design is also a consideration. The weighting for the criteria, how we're going to pick which design is a winning design, it mostly is can it achieve the actual frequencies, the notes that we need it to play. That's 35%. Cost control, craftsmanship, both 20%, creativity, 15%, aesthetics, 10%. The decision matrix, we chose Brian's wind instrument based off of the score. Jeff's percussive instrument, not necessarily because it was the highest rated percussive instrument, but since we don't have an issue with materials, we're choosing 2 percussive instruments. And then also there's a stringed instrument that scored really high and another percussive instrument. So what we want to deliver to these guys is make sure that all of their design requirements are achieved, that we utilize sound engineering tools, as in we record what it sounds like and let them hear it for themselves. And then we're going to achieve this through managing the project using management tools such as
Hello, my name is Aaron Windon from Team 4, and today I'm going to discuss my instrument, which is a cantilevered percussion instrument.
My design uses 10 tines or 10 flat rectangular bars to achieve the 10 frequencies needed to play the 2 parts of the song. It's designed to play 2 parts, which is the mid-high and the high range. The tines are adjustable, so I can correct any type of pitch issues. It's low profile, it's low cost, and it should be of high quality. This is the overall design. It looks like a xylophone, except for the fact that this is a cantilever design and not a simply supported design, so it's definitely different in that respect. For math, I primarily just needed to calculate the lengths of the tines based off the material that I chose, which is 1/8 by 1 inch flat steel bar. Anyways, I used MATLAB to calculate the different lengths of this instead of trying to do them all by hand. So my justification for this design is that it's low cost, it's easy to manufacture, it requires minimal space, simplistic design, it's tunable, and it rated a 96% on the decision matrix. Regarding physical size, this is way less than the 2 by 2 by 2 that was the constraint. It's 14 inches by 8 inches by 2 inches. It's also only $6.83 of the 15 that I could have spent, and it's capable of playing not just one part, but 2 parts of the song.
Team 4's percussion instrument features 10 pipes, which will allow 10 distinct notes. The paints will be painted in order to allow easy note identification for the band. It incorporates a hinged design in order to save space, and it's designed to play low to mid-low notes. Utilizing the cantilevered pipe design, the pipe length calculations based on 5/16 steel tubing are attached here. The total approximate size for the instrument will be 0.3 meters by 0.2 meters by 0.05 meters. We estimate the pipe will use 7.6 feet of piping, will cost no more than $15 based on the bill of materials, wood blocks, nails, steel pipes, a wood ball and wood dowel for the striker, the hinge, and...
My name is Brian Cantwell. I'm a member of Group 4, and I will be covering the wind instrument for the Band in the Box project. For the wind instrument, we chose to base it loosely on a flute or a clarinet. It will be composed of a PVC pipe 1/2 inch in diameter and measuring roughly 6.9 inches in length. It will have a fixed mouthpiece comprised of a smaller PVC fitting, and it has been engineered to perform in the high frequency note range. The cost of the instrument should be between 10 to 15 US dollars. Here we have the justification for design of the wind instrument. Again, it is loosely based on a flute or a clarinet. The calculated length of the instrument will be 6.932 inches. Diameter will be 1/2 inch. And the measurement of the sound speed for the wind instrument will be 343 meters per second. To your right, we see the base formula for the wind instrument with one closed end. We see the legend for some of the terms in the formula. Directly below it, you will see the 5 frequencies required for the song we've chosen to play. And directly to the left, you will see the initial sketch of the instrument, where we have the mouthpiece, the tube, and the 4 holes, which will lower the frequency from the base frequency.